Solve the problem. Professor Bernstein has found that the number of students attending his intermediate algebra class is approximated by S of x is equal to negative x squared plus 20x plus 80, where x is the number of hours that the campus center is open daily. Find the number of hours that the center should be open so that the number of students attending class is a maximum. And what is this maximum number of students? So we have our function S of x is equal to negative x squared plus 20x plus 80. S of x represents the number of students attending his intermediate algebra class, and x is the number of hours the campus center is open daily. Now, we want to find this value of x that's going to maximize our function, the number of students. If we think about the graph of this function pictorially, that is a parabola that opens downward. We know that because of this leading coefficient. It's a negative value. So we're looking for this value that is the vertex of that parabola. Let's find the x value of the vertex using x equal negative b over 2a. That's a negative 20 over 2 times negative 1, or a positive 10. So the x value for that vertex is 10, and this indicates that the campus center should be open 10 hours daily in order to maximize the number of students. But secondly, we want to also answer the question, what is the maximum number of students? We can find that by substituting 10 in for x in our function. In other words, find s of 10. That's negative 10 squared plus 20 times 10 plus 80, or a negative 100 squared plus 200. That's a negative 100, not squared, plus 200 plus 80. 280 minus 100 is 180. So the functional value, you might think of that as the y value for that vertex, is 180. Let's summarize what we found here then. The campus center should be open daily for 10 hours in order to maximize the number of students, and that maximum number of students is 180.